How to flip data upside down on Excel. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will be guiding you on that. So without any delay, let's just get started. Right now on my screen, you can see this data I've entered, which is fruits and vegetables. At the upper part of my screen, I have fruits available, whereas in the downward part, I have some vegetables available. So if what you can do first of all is you can just go and add up sequence, which is add up number for each of these. Like just go ahead and select it. After that, select and add up number. Now, once the number is added, look out for the data option at the top of your screen. Look out for short option after that and select short by, drop it down. Select the up column F and then select the option of smallest to largest to smallest and click on OK. And you should be finding it being upside down. And if not this method, you can apply another method also, which is using sort by function. So just go ahead and select up a table, type is equal to, and then type in sort by. After that, type in a column, and you may just go ahead and select up the whole table like this. I just go ahead and select the whole table. And once this is done, we can just go ahead and close this up. Type in comma, and then type in row, and this time select only the row, this one right here, which is something like this. And once this is entered, you will be finding the rows being changed again, and that's it. So you may follow up the solutions in order to change your row in your desktop and your Excel as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.